दही बड़ा खाने का मन है।
वाह क्या स्वाद।
असली स्वाद तो MDH दही बड़ा रायता मसाले से ही आता है।
It's a high viewership night. I can see the streaming traffic online and on streaming on YouTube, and we get the live data. It's really huge tonight, and I welcome everyone. I think there's a debate on in Parliament. Is that Tejasvi speaking? Let me cut live for a moment and see. Is that Tejasvi speaking live? Can I cut to Tejasvi live? Would you like to see that for a moment, please? That's why I need to see the feed. Yeah, can we play to it? Play it for a moment.
Sir, Aaj,
That's why I need to see.
there are questions that are being asked. There are questions that are being asked. Why non-Muslims are added, are included in Waqf Board and Waqf Council? Detailed explanation has been given that Waqf is different. The nature of the work of the Waqf Board is different, and the Waqf Board and Waqf Council are essentially secular in nature. Sir, I want to also add, 2013 में sir, 2013 से पहले वक्फ ट्रिब्यूनल के जो जुरिस्डिक्शन था वो सिर्फ मुसलमान के ऊपर लागू होता था। 2013 के बाद कांग्रेस सरकार ने संशोधन ले आने के बाद वक्फ बोर्ड के ट्रिब्यूनल के जुरिस्डिक्शन नॉन मुस्लिम्स के ऊपर भी लागू हुआ। सर आई विल जस्ट नीड 1 मिनट टू कंक्लूड। सर एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है सर, प्लीज एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, कंक्लूड इन अ मिनट। सर 2013 में दे इंक्लूडेड द एक्सपेंडेड द जुरिस्डिक्शन ऑफ द वक्फ ट्रिब्यूनल टू इंक्लूड नॉन मुस्लिम्स। If you can include non-Muslims under the jurisdiction of the Waqf Tribunal, why can't non-Muslims have a representation in the Waqf Council and Waqf Board? ये बहुत नेचुरल जस्टिस का प्रिंसिपल है और ये इसका भी विरोध कर रहे हैं। सर मैं आज आपके माध्यम से देश को बताना चाहता हूं कांग्रेस पार्टी के सेक्युलरिज्म का डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स क्या है। 1991 में सर कांग्रेस पार्टी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन दिस वेरी August House the Places of Worship Act, and in this Places of Worship Act they created a legal bar on Hindu community to approach even the court.
Young member of parliament from Bangalore South, and he heads the youth wing of the BJP, and we have Ajay Alokia, and with me in the studio is the very well spoken Jyotsna Tirunagiri. Welcome Jyotsna ji, national spokesperson of the Telugu Desam party. With me on the left is advocate Anmol Pawar of the Aam Aadmi party, Gaurav Chachra of the Samajwadi party, Ashwini Kumar Mishra of the Congress party, and I can see Tausif Khan who's pro TMC tonight. So we have a good panel, and I can't see AIMM spokesperson. Is he there? Haji Meherdin Rangrez? I can't see him there, but if he can be put live, because I'll introduce him once and then move on. Okay, now the first question, I introduced Sasi. The first question tonight is the point which Tejasvi Surya is raising tonight. We are tonight discussing the Waqf Amendment Bill. Huge night tonight. You see, the Waqf is passed, that the country is fully integrated. Tejasvi asks a good question. His question is, Waqf, you keep saying it's about Muslims, of Muslims, by Muslims, for Muslims. Am I right, Jyotsna ji? Of Muslims, by Muslims, for Muslims. Then, the nation wants to know if it is of Muslims, by Muslims and for Muslims, then why have you included Hindus, Christians, Muslims, Parsis under its ambit in 2013? I'll tell you why. Because आपको लगा कि नरेंद्र मोदी आने वाले हैं, जनरल इलेक्शन आने वाले हैं, मुसलमानों को और खुश कैसे किया जाए, how do you make Muslims more happy? Put everything under Waqf, ताकि देश का पार्लियामेंट, देश के एयरपोर्ट्स, देश के घर, मंदिर, मस्जिद, सब कुछ वक्फ के अंदर आ जाए। मैक्सिमम मुस्लिम अपीजमेंट, इसको रिवर्स करना पड़ेगा। Why were Hindus brought under the Waqf in 2013? Can anyone answer, Ashwini?
I'll answer.
Yeah. Why did you include Hindus under Waqf in 2013? How dare the Congress?
I don't understand.
One minute. Ajay Alok is saying. Ajay, what are you saying? Ajay? Ajay, what are you saying?
Just go through the chronology, Arnab, and you'll get to know of it. 1999, after the demolition of Babri Masjid, there comes right to act prevention of the act the Tejasvi was mentioning. 1995 Waqf Amendment comes because impending fear of losing elections.
Yeah.
Because 96 there was an election, they wanted to unite the Muslim together. 2013 they knew they were going to lose. So another tight amendment.
Because Narendra Modi was going to become Prime Minister in 2014, Sonia Gandhi thought, what do I do? She said, put Hindus under Waqf. Let Muslims be happy. Muslim vote we'll get.
What logic putting Hindus under Waqf is a Muslim appeasement?
No, but
I
why
don't
were
understand
Hindus
that.
brought
What
under Waqf?
logic you are trying
How
to
were
bring
Hindus
in?
brought under
Hindus, it's also
Waqf? Why did you bring Hindus under Waqf? Why did you bring the Hindus under Waqf in 2013?
Tribunal versus
One minute, Asaduddin Owaisi is speaking in
versus-
Parliament. We're cutting live. I want a top band on that. Asaduddin
Massage in
Owaisi.
TTD is only made by Brahmins, not even for a particular sect. And 2013, Mr. Rajnath Singh, does he disagrees with what Advani and Sushma Swaraj did by supporting the 2000 Bill Act? You are opposing your own leadership. You are making a fun of yourself over here.
No, one second. Tol Disha Walwan ji. Tol Disha Walwan ji.
மாண்புமிகு அவைத் தலைவருக்கு வணக்கம்.
Yes, sir.
இந்த வக்ஃப் திருத்தச் சட்ட மசோதாவை முற்றாக நான்
When I cut. Thank you. There's no mic up, mic down. 1 second. The question goes here in a live debate. Why were Hindus brought under the ambit of the Waqf?
Bringing Hindus.
Why were Hindus brought under the ambit of the Waqf?
Bringing Hindus under tribunal is not.
You admit
the
you
same
brought
thing.
Hindus under
Yeah,
Waqf.
and it's
First,
not
look at
the
that
same
camera.
thing.
One minute.
It's
Ashwini,
not
look
the
at that
same
camera and
as
say.
bringing Hindus to policy making.
1 minute.
What we are discussing here is the Waqf is for Muslims.
No,
the
one
policy
minute.
makers
I need a
should be
top
the
band over
Muslims.
that window which says live
The
in Parliament. 1
people-
second, please. Please wait. Please wait. Please wait. Viewers, please note what I'm saying tonight. Note every word and ask yourself what is secularism. All these Congress, Sonia, Rahul, Priyanka, all Owaisi, all pseudo-secular people. If you're a Hindu watching the program tonight, did you know that this family, this Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and Robert Vadra put Hindus under the Waqf, under the 2013 amendment? Why did they do that? You're going to support that also?
Why did the BJP support them in Parliament?
No.
Did they object in 1995?
No.
Did they object in 2013?
Yes, no.
The two members of Parliament from
never
Bharatiya Janata
supported-
Party supported that bill in 2013.
No.
And why is it that two Hindus are included
BJP
in
never
this
supported the bill.
2024
BJP
amendment?
did not support
And why is
that.
it-
One minute.
No, they supported.
Ajay, look. Ajay, counter it.
Why Hindus
Okay, we allow a counter.
supported the bill even in
Ajay is countering.
1995 and 2013.
Ajay, no, you be quiet. Wait.
This is absolute. This is absolute lie.
Show me. Show it to me. Show it to me. Show it to me.
This is the
Show it to
blatant
me.
lie. What he's speaking. Now there is
That
this is the
BJP
blatant
will examine
lie.
the recommendations of
Even in
JPC regarding
1991 Places of
headed
Worship
by
Act,
Sri
we
K.
opposed the
Rahman,
act.
Deputy Chairman,
1995,
and
we
for
opposed.
consultation with
2013, we
Muslim
opposed to
leaders.
Thandel.
Take steps to remove encroachments from and
Come, give it. Give it.
Occupation of
Why are you
work
scared to give it to me? Why are you scared? Give it to me.
It's
Now
in
I'll tell
public
you.
domain.
I'll
It's
tell
in public domain.
of
You
course
must
it is.
read it out again for
Okay,
the viewers.
now the
And
BJP
also tell the viewers that it's the BJP who supported that bill in 2013. क्यों नहीं किया विरोध उस समय? क्यों दो members जो हैं वो अब की बार 2024 में वक्फ बॉडी का हिस्सा बनाए? And the main thing which you are not telling
Ladies
the
and
viewers is that the composition of waqf, even under the 19,
Don't
just
have
a
to
minute,
repeat. You're
just
like
a
a
minute.
student who has memorized everything. You want to give your whole speech now. By the way, the debate. 1 minute. No.
I want to
They're not
expose this
getting- Jyotsna in the
ecosystem
studio along with
which
Ajay.
is misinforming the
Thank
viewers.
you.
आप ये बताइए जनता को
don't shout.
कि जो स्टेट वक्फ बोर्ड
Shouted
है,
like this and aap lost.
वक्फ
You
बोर्ड
shouted
है,
like this for 1 month and aap lost.
Arnab.
स्टेट के द्वारा बनाया
It has to.
गया
The
है.
windows have to be
Arnab,
fixed.
there is one open
Thank you.
challenge.
Of that body is a government
Arnab, there is one
appointee.
open challenge. Okay, let's not.
I
let's
just
not
want to
shout
first
over
read
each
out.
other. Let's
One
give
minute.
me one answer. There's one open challenge.
Ajay, I want to first read out. I want to first read out what is said by the BJP. The BJP says that it will examine the recommendations of the JPC, not say accept, and will, in consultation with Muslim leaders, take step to remove encroachment from and unauthorized occupation of Waqf properties, which means it's taken the exact same position now. Now, Ajay Alok.
Can I?
Ajay, one
Now,
minute. Ajay.
enough of technical discussion, what we had and what we are doing, and I guess enough of technical discussion we had for the last
Jyotsna also on it.
almost 1 year since the bill was introduced, and enough of all the clauses and
Jyotsna
all.
Tirunagiri
Now there is
also
an
on it.
open challenge to Aam Aadmi Party, Congress Party, RJD, SP, TMC, all those fake seculars who are supporting the bill. Please don't walk out. Vote against the motion if you have the courage. Show the country, show the Muslims, so-called Muslims, what you understand, rich Muslims, that you are with them, and you are against the poor Muslim for which this bill amendments are being brought. Show to this country, and you walk out. Vote against the motion if you have the courage. And if you can't vote against the motion, please don't show your face on TV representing those parties.
Jyotsna, the very important issue, and people are reacting tonight. Viewers, I am telling you, if you're a Sikh, you are under Waqf because of Sonia Gandhi. If you are a Hindu, you are under Waqf according to Sonia Gandhi. Did you know Sonia Gandhi did this to you? You Congress supporters, you Congi supporters, all you people. Did you know Sonia Gandhi did this to you? Do all the Congis watching the program tonight realize that Hindus, Parsis, Sikhs have all been included under the Waqf law? 1 minute. On the one side, you say that Waqf is for Muslims to create Waqf in the name of Allah. And then you say put Hindus, Sikhs and Parsis under Waqf. It's logic hi nahi hai. And how much do you give away? On what basis? Viewers, it is so wrong. And why was this happening? Why did Sonia Gandhi do this? Because she was afraid that Narendra Modi was about to become Prime Minister in 2014. So the only way to block him was by making Muslims very happy. So she did this. Don't you want this corrected? Jyotsna.
अर्नब जी
Jyotsna.
अर्नब जी ये जो सेक्युलरिज्म के नारे लगा के बोल रहे हैं ना, I don't mince my words, you know it, Arnab ji. Let me put it very clearly here. Real secularism, if you have to coin the term, real secularism is protecting institutions, not emotionally exploiting the communities. And you have been doing it for years together. And again, अर्नब जी ये जो आज वक्फ बोर्ड की बात कर रहे हैं, उसमें ये हो गया, वो हो गया, and they're just, talking all this. Do they really understand and do they really know that Waqf board actually controls around 1.2 lakh crore worth of land, yet only earns 163 crore annually? So, for me, 11,837 crores missing every year. कहाँ जा रहा है ये पैसा? 1 second, sir, let me complete.
छाछरा जी को आने दीजिए उसके बाद. Let him also come in.
यही 11,837 crores that I'm talking about, we could have built almost 275 hospitals.
Oh yeah.
947 schools.
Yeah.
And helped 2.37 lakh farmers. लिख के रख लीजिएगा. And this is why we want a Waqf amendment.
Very nice.
Sir, 1 second. I think, sir, ये logic है. लॉजिक आपको पसंद ही नहीं है. लॉजिक तो यही है सर. And sir, listen sir, 14 amendments almost. And again, it is not a amendment or it is not a bill that is targeting. It's protecting. It is protecting. And that is the reason I gave you this example. Now again, coming back to Congress, sir, I didn't want to talk about Congress, but because a question was raised earlier,
this bill was coined by Congress. How can you ignore Congress?
Same Congress.
We gave so many things to the nation, which you are eradicating.
Oh, yes, sir.
Which you are removing one by one.
I'll talk about just Muslims. Because our party, Telugu Desam Party, is the only party in the entire country which has stood by Muslims all the time since our inception. You were there before
now you are telling BJP is also...
Let her, she's allowed. Three of you, let her finish. I say let Jyotsna finish. Let Jyotsna finish.
Minority the only party who is pro-Muslim.
Cangress was sleeping then, sir, I'm sorry. Congress was sleeping then. 1996.
They are the only...
Sir, 1 second, you have to let me complete. You can't bulldozers like you are doing in the parliament. I'm sorry, you can't do that. You can't do that. Jyotsna here, sir. Telugu Desam Party representative here.
Let her speak.
Representative of
Jyotsna.
Sir, 1985, TDP was the first party to establish India's first minorities corporation. Congress was there till then. They didn't do a thing. 1996, Chandrababu Naidu Garu introduced Urdu as the second official language of Andhra Pradesh. Congress was there earlier. They didn't do anything. 1998, Maulana Azad National University, Urdu University, Hyderabad. Sir, we formed it. 2001, we built the Hajj House in Hyderabad.
Beyond
2014 to 19, post-bifurcation. No, sir.
List of accomplishments.
Sounds like a
Sir,
manifesto.
I'll have to talk about it. I'll tell you why.
But you have to discuss Waqf today.
Arnab ji,
Today the debate has to be on Waqf.
This is there.
Let polling be on. Let the graphics be on. Let the polling be on. Let the question be on. Let it be all on.
They don't do anything for the community. And they claim they are the saviors. I'm sorry.
Jyotsna ji, I want to come in. And I want to ask questions to the AIMIM and to
the party
and to Gaurav Chachra of the Samajwadi Party. सी आई एम अ हिंदू, चाचा जी मैं हिंदू, आप हिंदू हैं, आप बताइए, आप सब कह रहे हैं कि ये संविधान में लिखा हुआ है। अरे कहां लिखा हुआ है?
आर्टिकल 20।
एक मिनट, संविधान में कहां लिखा था? अगर संविधान में लिखा होता तो कांग्रेस पार्टी और आप लोग 2013 में ये चेंजेस क्यों लाते? आप संविधान में कतई विश्वास नहीं करते। मुझे बताइए चाचा जी, आप वक्फ के अंडर क्यों हैं? आप मुसलमान हैं? आप कहते हैं ओ ब्रिटिश टाइम से हमको मिल रहा है, ब्रिटिश ने किया था, क्या नाम है, मुसलमान एक्ट। ठीक है, ब्रिटिश ने किया था मुसलमान एक्ट और ब्रिटिश ने विभाजन भी की भारत की। एक मिनट मेरी बात सुनिए। तो आप ब्रिटिश का नाम लेके कर रहे हैं, मगर ब्रिटिश ने भी नहीं किया जो आपने किया। आप मुझे बताइए चाचा जी, आप हिंदू हैं, वक्फ जो मानते हैं, कहते हैं वक्फ मुसलमानों के लिए है ना। आप हाजी महरदीन रंगरेज जी को पूछिए जो बैठे हैं इधर, बोलेंगे आप कौन होते हैं? हम मुसलमान हैं, अपना खुद चलाएंगे। रुकिए, ये हाजी रंगरेज जी की बात होगी। तो मैं तो मुसलमान नहीं हूं, आप तो नहीं है, आप वक्फ के अधीन क्यों हैं? आप वक्फ के अधीन क्यों हैं? वाई आर यू अंडर वक्फ?
देखिए,
वाई आर यू अंडर वक्फ?
ये आर्टिकल 26 से
वाई आर यू अंडर वक्फ? आर्टिकल 26
हो गया, 14 हो गया, अनुच्छेद 9।
I am a Hindu, I don't want to be under वक्फ। I am not under the वक्फ। Why am I under the वक्फ?
बीजेपी हिंदू
Why should I be under the वक्फ? आप बताइए मुझे।
बीजेपी को मुसलमान,
गौरव जी बताइए, गौरव जी,
आज मुसलमान अच्छे लग रहे हैं।
गौरव जी बताइए, गौरव जी।
आज मुसलमान बीजेपी को बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं। कल तक ये मुसलमानों को घुसपैठिया बोलते हैं, चुनाव आते ही ज्यादा बच्चे पैदा करने वाले बोलते हैं कि इनकी जमीन हड़प लेंगे।
आप हिंदुओं को,
आज क्या हुआ? आज पसमानदा
अंडर वक्फ।
ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी का दोहरा चरित्र है। आगे 2022 के उत्तर प्रदेश के चुनाव को देखते हुए अपने वोट बैंक समेटने के लिए, आपसी भाईचारा और स्वार्थ को खत्म करने के लिए,
Why should a Hindu be under वक्फ? आप हिंदू हैं, आप
ये जो बिल आ रहा है, इससे
बताइए 2013 में, एक मिनट, पहले तो भावुक होके कुछ मत बोलिए, रैशनली सोचिए, रैशनल बनना पड़ेगा आपको। 2013 में लोकसभा चुनाव के ठीक पहले, है ना, ये एक्ट को चेंज करके सिख, हिंदू, पारसी और सबको इंक्लूड किया गया। क्यों किया गया? आई वॉन्ट, हाजी रंगरेज जी बताइए। आप कहते हैं वक्फ इज फॉर मुस्लिम्स, बाय मुस्लिम्स एंड फॉर मुस्लिम्स, हम डिसाइड करेंगे, हम सिविल कोड के नीचे भी नहीं आएंगे, है ना। हम मतलब आप कहते हैं मुसलमान, तो जो मुसलमान नहीं है वो वक्फ के अधीन क्यों है? हाजी रंगरेज जी, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? कोई जवाब है आपका?
आवाज आ रही है सर। मैं कह रहा हूं कि ये पूरा बिल ही जो है अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है और ये गैर संवैधानिक है और आर्टिकल 14, आर्टिकल 25, 26, 29 के खिलाफ है। तो हमारा मानना है कि जब देश के 20 करोड़ मुसलमान,
नहीं, आप कह रहे पूरा दिल्ली वक्फ का है। एक मिनट, पूरा दिल्ली वक्फ का है, पूरा दिल्ली वक्फ का है। क्यों? क्योंकि मुगल वहां रहते थे, मुगल रहते थे। तो मुगल के पहले कौन रहते थे? अरे मुगल तो बाद में आए ना, मुगलों के पहले कौन थे?
अगर हमारे पास
मुगलों के पहले कौन थे? आप कह रहे मुगलों का राज था इसलिए वक्फ का है, इसलिए मुसलमान प्रॉपर्टी है। तो बाकी हिंदू क्या करे भाई? चले जाए दिल्ली से। क्या चाहते हैं आप? आप चाहते हैं हिंदू, सिख, ईसाई सब चले जाए दिल्ली से? आप क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं? ये कैसी सोच है आपकी? आप कह रहे हैं पूरी दिल्ली हमारी है, तो हम क्या करें? एक मिनट, पूरी दिल्ली आपकी है, आप कहेंगे हिंदू लखनऊ से भी चले जाए वहां पे। अरे भाई, वो वाजिद अली शाह का जमाना चला गया और औरंगजेब का जमाना भी चला गया।
लेना नहीं चाहते, मगर जो जमीन हमारी है वो तो हमारी रहेगी, क्योंकि हमारे बड़े और
आपका मतलब क्या है हमारी?
एक
मिनट मेरी बात सुनिए हाजी साहब, मेरी बात सुनिए, आप मेरी बात सुनिए, लॉजिकली बात को समझिए। आज ये प्रोग्राम जो देख रहे हैं, कई लोग ग्रेटर नोएडा में देख रहे हैं, कई लोग जनकपुरी में देख रहे हैं। आपका कहना है कि जनकपुरी और ग्रेटर नोएडा एक ज़माने के मुगलों के अधीन थी, इसलिए ये वक्फ की हो गई। तो बाकी हम लोग क्या करें भाई? चले जाएं, बोरिया बिस्तर उठा के निकल जाएं, या फिर आपके वक्फ के सामने जाके भीख मांगे कि हमारी ज़मीन हमें हमारे हाथ रहने दो। डर के मारे जिए कि जिस ज़मीन के लिए हमने दिन रात एक करके किसी ने कोई फ्लैट खरीदा है, कोई ज़मीन खरीदी है, ये वक्फ के अधीन है। ऐसा सोनिया गांधी ने क्यों किया? और सोनिया गांधी और ओवैसी करना क्या चाहते हैं इस देश में? षड्यंत्र क्या है बता दीजिए। नॉन मुस्लिम्स कहां जाएंगे? नॉन मुस्लिम्स कहां जाएंगे? नहीं, नॉन मुस्लिम्स कहां जाएंगे? एक मिनट हाजी साहब, ये क्या हो रहा है?
You are just spreading misinformation.
एक मिनट, मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन लाइज नहीं है। Why are Hindus under Waqf?
I'll tell you.
Why are Hindus under Waqf?
Hindus are under Waqf by choice. Rule is that you can donate anything if you want to donate to Muslims under Waqf. That doesn't mean you are forced to donate. The policy is that the control, the policy making will be done by Muslims. Don't.
Ajay, nahi karna donate. Ajay, this is maximum and dangerous appeasement. Ajay,
from there also.
Ajay, one minute. Ajay.
It is a maximum and dangerous appeasement. People like my friend, what he's speaking, he doesn't understand what is Waqf. Waqf is only for Muslims. It's an Arabic word, which you donate to Allah. And only a Muslim can do it. Not any other.
Not the donor.
Not any other from any religion.
Anyone who's donating to
No
Waqf
kafir
can be
can do
anyone.
a work.
The beneficiaries of the Waqf are Muslims, not the donors.
He can go.
No kafir can do Waqf.
Tausif.
Please go and read.
I want to tell you one more thing, viewers. Now you'll be very
Anyone who is a
surprised.
non-Muslim is a kafir. He cannot do Waqf.
I tell you one thing, which is the reality. Now, viewers, please listen to me now. For a minute, please listen to me. What you're seeing on the screen, and I need all the WhatsApp reactions to be played. Let's put 1,000 WhatsApp reactions on air tonight, viewers. Thank you to my news desk. You see, viewers, the Babri Masjid were demolished.
The one who's
the
speaking on the screen, he is a grabber of more than 500
Tausif is saying
acres in UP Gazipur.
Okay, Tausif, what do you say?
Why do you love WhatsApp? Arnab, you have got your degree from WhatsApp University. Why do you want to put all the WhatsApp comments
Bad
here?
joke, boring.
The concept of Waqf comes from the Islamic legal principles.
No. You don't tell me which university I passed out of. I passed out of the University of Oxford and the University of Cambridge and Delhi University. Which university did you pass out from, man?
I paid for my own degree. My degree was not paid by the BJP like yours.
My degree was paid by a scholarship. I went to Cambridge University on a fellowship, and I went to Oxford University on a Felix Fellowship. Now I want to know who gave your fellowship. Did the Waqf board give you a fellowship? Aapko Waqf ne bheja? Did the Waqf send you to college?
Arnab, you don't speak your own mind. You speak BJP's mind. Now please.
Keep quiet, yeah. Keep quiet. You're a fundamentalist.
Now
You're a fundamentalist. You're a radical, appeasing fundamentalist.
Concept of Waqf.
Not a fundamental, radical.
No, please do not interrupt me. The concept of Waqf comes from the well-established
the concept of Waqf comes from
Islamic
Islam.
principle.
And please tell me,
well-established Islamic
any
principle
non-Muslim
of
can do
Sadaqah-e
Waqf.
Jariyah.
According to Islam,
Supreme Court
according to
has
Quran.
time and again upheld this principle, the long-standing principle of Sadaqah-e Jariyah. Once a property is donated in Waqf, the property vests with Allah. Allah is the owner.
No,
and
I'm
a
asking
property
you,
which is
Tausif,
once
a
a
very
Waqf
simple
is
and
always
plain
a Waqf. Because a property owned by Allah cannot be purchased.
Okay, just listen.
And cannot be grabbed.
Waqf
BJP is trying to grab the... BJP is trying to encroach upon the Waqf property under the pretext of this bill. And that is why... There is opposition.
You're just making a one-way traffic. I'm just asking you a simple question. Being a proud Muslim, you tell me. Being a proud Muslim,
own and administer their own religious institution and property.
One minute. I want to Tausif, 1 minute. Ajay, 1 minute. Tausif, thank you. I'll tell you one thing now. Viewers, just listen to me for a minute. 89% of the people are with me tonight now. Question is, Babri Masjid was demolished, Chachara ji. उसके बाद कांग्रेस पे प्रेशर बनी. कांग्रेस को लगा भाई अभी क्या होगा. बीजेपी के पास हिंदू वोट है. हमारी मुस्लिम वोट निकल गई तो हम तो खत्म हो जाएंगे. तो फिर उन्होंने क्या किया? They brought in changes to the Waqf Act in 1995. The most dangerous change, you know what it was, Gaurav? You're a lawyer, you should know.
Places of Worship Act.
No. They made it an overriding law, which means the biggest violation of the biggest violation of the fundamental rights in the 1995 Waqf law is that it said that Waqf tribunals are a civil court. Waqf tribunals, volume down, are a civil court, right? Therefore, the Waqf tribunals will exercise all the powers and all the functions exercised by a civil court, which means that Waqf tribunal is above the Supreme Court also. Waqf decisions are above any civil court of the country. Waqf decisions cannot be questioned in a high court. Waqf decisions cannot be questioned in the Supreme Court. And the same people are saying today, if a law is brought in Parliament, we'll go crying to the Supreme Court. But the Supreme Court will ask you, this law you created did not Court decisions. So you created a parallel court system for Muslims in this country. A parallel court system for Muslims in this country. You know how dangerous it is? A Waqf tribunal can go anywhere. Tausif, don't cry.
No.
Don't cry, Tausif, you're about to cry.
Can be challenged under Article 226. Under the Article 226, High Court review petitions can be filed against the Waqf Tribunal decision, and it can go up to Supreme Court. WhatsApp University teachings that you have learned from can only say that no Waqf Tribunal
only
is the
in special cases.
Decision.
Only in special cases. Please read 1995 amendment very nicely, Mr. Tausif. Only in special circumstances, and that too on recommendation of the council.
WhatsApp University teachings says that Waqf Tribunal decision cannot be challenged.
You are WhatsApp University. You don't know your religion also.
BJP is a
don't know your religion
I'm still
properly.
asking one question tonight. Ajay, see.
You don't know your religion properly.
University Chhatra.
1 minute.
Alok is a WhatsApp University Chhatra. Arnab
You are the
also
biggest, you are the vice chancellor of the WhatsApp University. You don't know Quran,
Arnab,
you don't know Islam,
University Chhatra.
and you claim to be a Muslim.
WhatsApp University Chhatra. You are saying that tribunal decision cannot be challenged.
You don't know Quran, you don't know Muslim, Islam.
Tausif, I want to ask you, are you a Sunni or a Shia? Are you a Sunni or a Shia, Tausif? Are you Sunni or Shia? Or from some other Muslim sect?
No,
Of course
no, do not divide Muslim community.
I'm not dividing, I'm asking you, are you Sunni or Shia?
Yes, that's what you're doing. That's what Bill is doing. Aga Khani, Waqf Kam Board, then you have various others, Waqf Board. It is unconstitutional. Constitution does not give power to Parliament to create subset.
So you want
Only
to discriminate
when
against Aga Khanis and Bohras and women?
Only Sunni domination.
There is a one common Waqf council.
Only Sunni domination.
Why should Aga Khanis and Bohras not have representation?
There are no
Why should they be
subsets.
excluded?
There are no subsets.
Why
in
should they
Islam.
be
There are
excluded?
No castes in Islam, unlike in Hinduism, Constitution.
Why are women excluded?
Why are women
excluded? 1 minute. Why are women excluded? 1 minute. Let me ask you. 1 minute. Why are women excluded? Ajay, why are women excluded? Why are women excluded? Why are women excluded?
Women are not excluded. That's a lie. That's a WhatsApp University teaching. Women
tell me which women are included. Tell me where are women included?
In this amendment, the women are. There is a bar that only 2 women will be included. In fact, in the current law,
listen,
more than 2 women can
you are
be
a Signal
included.
University
Minimum 2
member.
women has to be
This
there.
bill includes
Please
a
read the
clause
law.
which says
Please
the
read the law. You have
maintenance,
not read the law.
welfare maintenance
These
of widow,
WhatsApp
divorced
University
women and
teachings will not
orphans
help you.
in such a manner as may be prescribed by the central government. So you have to understand it. You deny inheritance right under Waqf Alal Aulad.
There is no inheritance once the property
to
is
deny
vested in
inheritance
Allah.
rights to women and orphans.
The question of inheritance does not arise. Once
Why does
the
it not
Waqif
arise?
is
Why does the inheritance of female heirs not arise?
No, Waqif is not the owner of property. Allah is the owner of the property. So please read the legal principles. No, read the law text. Read the books of law. These WhatsApp University
I will read the
teachings will not
constitution.
help
I may
you.
not read the religious
These
texts of
WhatsApp
other
University
religions does
commentaries
not
will help
constitute
you.
my law.
These WhatsApp University
If anybody
teachings will
tells
not help
me
you.
what is
See,
greater,
once
will the laws of Srimad
ownership
Bhagavad
is
Gita
divested-
become more important than a
once the-
constitution? I will
once
say
the
for me the
ownership is
constitution is higher
divested-
than the Bhagavad Gita.
Once the ownership is divested, there is no question of inheritance.
No, just
Please,
ask them.
these
Just
are
ask
elementary knowledge.
Tausif.
No, it has a
Constitution or Sharia? Just ask him.
There is
Just ask Tausif, Constitution or Sharia? What
देखो ये
Question.
आलोक को लॉ का एल भी नहीं मालूम है. I will not debate with Alok.
Constitution or Sharia, what comes first for him?
Knowledge of law. Alok
No. What comes first for you? Right now. Answer right now.
You first go and get a law
Answer right
degree.
now. What comes first for you? Constitution or Sharia?
Alok will have to get
Now,
a
this
law
is- this
degree.
is-
Ladies and gentlemen, a hot debate in Parliament. I'm cutting live for a moment. Let's go to Parliament for 30
The
seconds.
rabbit mentality.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
का जो एक्ट है आप उसमें भी संशोधित करेंगे. आपको लगता है पहले मुस्लिम मारेंगे, फिर सिख मारेंगे, फिर क्रिश्चियन मारेंगे. ये आपकी सोच है और मैं बिल का विरोध करता
Words should be
हूं.
deleted from the record. These all words should be deleted from the record. Yes, thank you. Honorable Member Smita Uday Bagji. Smita Uday Bagji.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the debate continues, I'm going on and out, and I want one more thing I want to share, Jyotsna ji. These people, Ashwini, Alok, and Gaurav Chachra, they don't believe in Ambedkar. They don't believe in Ambedkar. All three of them, look at them very closely, because Ambedkar said this is not the right system. Nehru was an insecure man. He was so insecure of Ambedkar. In 1954, he enacted the Waqf Act of 1954. What did that do? It centralized all the Waqf bodies under state-run boards, enabling large-scale corruption, large-scale land acquisition and encroachment. Why are you defending? Let me complete. No. I will complete. The fact is, there was a Musalman Waqf Validating Act of 1913, which was the first act which protected the Waqf. In 1923, the Musalman Waqf Act was introduced. So the British wanted to create a Hindu-Muslim divide. But Nehru went mad, viewers. The Nehru
want to create a Hindu-Muslim divide. और आप उसकी पहली पंक्ति में खड़े हैं, सबसे आगे खड़े हैं. आज अपने किरदार जो है वो बहुत बखूबी निभाया आधे घंटे में. लेकिन सच्चाई ये है, अगर आप हमें बोलने दें, क्योंकि आपने हमें बुलाया है, शायद हमें
अगर आप जानते नहीं ना इतिहास तो आपको समझाना पड़ेगा.
हमें भी बोलने का अवसर मिलेगा.
Why are Hindus under Waqf?
No, the reality.
Why are Hindus under Waqf? मेरी सुई तो उसी में फंसी हुई. Why are Hindus under Waqf? मैं Waqf के अधीन क्यों हूँ? मैं हिंदू हूँ. मैं क्यों हूँ? जवाब दीजिए.
आप संविधान के तहत चलेंगे.
ये संविधान अम्बेडकर की संविधान नहीं है.
आप किसी
मुझे आप क्यों डाला? मुझे आपकी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने
आप ये बताएंगे
आपकी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने सब हिंदुओं को वक्फ के अधीन कर दिया.
अभी लाया गया है
और नरेंद्र मोदी इसको चेंज कर रहे हैं. तो आप कह रहे हैं क्यों चेंज किया जाएगा?
देश का अमन और चैन बिगाड़ने के लिए लाया गया है. ये उन सत्ता के जो हबशी हैं, जिनकी भूख नहीं मिटती, जो चाहते हैं इस देश को लूटना, ये उनकी भूख खत्म करने के लिए लाया गया है. ये आम आदमी के लिए नहीं लाया गया.
मेरे स्कूल में ऐसे बैक बेंचर थे. There were backbenchers like him in school. There were backbenchers in school. Ajay Alok, ऐसे backbenchers. There were backbenchers like this in school. There were backbenchers, but we were toppers. He's a backbencher. ये backbencher है. ये backbencher है. Ajay Alok is a backbencher. Gaurav Chachra, shame on you. Shame on you, Anmol. Shame on you for being anti-Ambedkar. Shame on you. We go straight to Parliament, ladies and gentlemen. Cut to Parliament for a minute. Go to Parliament. Parliament live, full frame.
तलाक के बाद उनकी जिंदगी तहस नहस होती थी, उस महिलाओं को किसी ने सम्मान दिया है? तो हमारी भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने और हमारे सरकार ने यहाँ पे उनको सम्मान दिया है. मुझे यहाँ पे कहना पड़ता है कि अन्य कुवैत, कतर, ओमान, सऊदी अरब, पाकिस्तान, तुर्की, बांग्लादेश, बहरीन, ईरान और मालदीव में महिलाओं के शामिल करने हेतु कोई प्रावधान नहीं रखा गया है. लेकिन संशोधन विधेयक 2024 में द्वारा भारत की महिलाओं में प्रतिनिधित्व को सुनिश्चित किया गया है. इतना ही नहीं, तो हमारे महिलाओं के लिए 2 मिनट भाई.
ये तो आज पास करके रहे. 2 AM.
महिलाओं को वक्फ संपत्तियों में अनेक वही उत्तराधिकार और अधिकार मिलेंगे. विधवाओं को, तलाकशुदा महिलाओं को और अनाथों को वक्फ आय में प्राथमिकता दी जाएगी. वक्फ बोर्ड में महिलाओं को अनिवार्य भागीदारी सुनिश्चित की जाएगी. वक्फ संपत्तियों में इसमें मिलने राजस्व का उपयोग मुस्लिम महिलाओं को और शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य में सेवा में किया जाएगा.
Now I'm going back to the debate out here. Viewers, none of all this what has been planned under Waqf was planned by Ambedkar. First change was brought in 1954 by Nehru. He brought in state-run boards to centralize Waqf properties. Then 1964, the year he died, the Central Waqf Council was set up. This became an exclusive system, so there was a whole parallel land governance structure. After Babri in 1995, they said that Waqf does not need to report to any civil laws. In 2013, Congress went totally mad, Ajay. Mad. Then they said bring Hindus also under Waqf, so that they can go to Ajay Alok's house and say, "Ye Waqf ki land hai." They can go to Jyotsna's house and say, "Waqf
whole
land."
country.
Ajay Alok, Ajay.
Not Hindu, the whole country.
What, you will come in one versus one. No. After Ajay, you will debate. After Ajay, you will debate. After Ajay, you will debate. There will be a two window. Ajay, go on the two
Rahul
window.
Gandhi is absconding today.
Contribute to that.
You know why Rahul and
Ajay.
Priyanka are absconding today? You know why Rahul and Priyanka are absconding today? Because their
Louder, louder.
lineage is haunting them. Which side do they take? Which side do they take? Their Christian lineage is haunting them.
Ah.
Now the whole Christian union all across Kerala and all across India, they have come unison in support of this bill, that yes, this bill must get passed. Now they are in catch-22, whether they should go to Italy or whether they should remain with Bhaijan. Now if they have to win election from Wayanad, they have to be with the Bhaijan and of course avoid Christian. But in bigger totality, that hurts them. So Rahul and Priyanka conveniently chose to stay away from the parliament. This is the hypocrisy. This is the hypocrisy. These people don't care for India. They don't care for Hindus or Muslims. They don't care for poor. All they are concerned for the rich Muslims, for what this Waqf was. It was a conglomerate. It was a cartel of 250 Muslims all across India who were running and ruling this Waqf board. You know, there are at least 50 medical colleges of Muslim leaders built on this Waqf land.
Why can't you cut to
and
him?
none of the students get free education.
एक सवाल का जवाब
Anmol is speaking.
जनता को पता भी चलेगा दिल्ली में कितनी वक्फ की प्रॉपर्टीज हैं आप बताइए
Anmol, just one question to Anmol.
सर एक बार बता
Just
दीजिए
one question to Anmol. Anmol can guarantee that Aam Aadmi Party is going to vote against the motion or is going to walk out.
अरे सुनो तो यार आप ये बताइए दिल्ली में कितनी वक्फी प्रॉपर्टीज
हैं? If you are going to walk out, then you walk out right now. Otherwise, tomorrow you will be ashamed.
सवाल से मत बचिए.
Tomorrow you will be ashamed. You have MPs from Punjab.
Cutting to Parliament audience for a minute. Full frame. Harsimrat Kaur Badal in full flow in Parliament. Let's go across.
हमारी मुसलमान बहनें हमारे मुसलमानों का पैसा वो सही लग जाए तो सब मैं सुबह से सोच रही हूँ कि इनके जबान में तो दुआ है लेकिन दिल तो इनका काला ये सारा देश जानता है और यही कारण है कि संसद में 24 मुसलमान मेंबर है सब इस तरफ उनमें से एक जना भी इस बिल को सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है जेपीसी के मेंबर इसको सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे इनके लोगों को छोड़ने के बजाय और देश की कोई माइनॉरिटी सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही है जिनका बिल इतना अच्छा होता तो तारीफें होती लेकिन हाँ माइनॉरिटी है आपके मंत्री है ना इसलिए लेकिन सर ये सोचते मैंने सोचा कि इसके पीछे पॉलिटिक्स क्या है तो सर मैंने वक्फ का एसेट मैनेजमेंट का ये मैंने पेपर निकाला जिसमें पता लगा कि वक्फ की सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉपर्टी 27% उत्तर प्रदेश में है और उत्तर प्रदेश के इलेक्शन 1.5 साल बाद है तो ये जो बोलते हैं महिलाओं को देनी है मैनेज करनी है तो सर ये तो सिर्फ ये 27% वक्फ की बॉडी जो सिर्फ एक उत्तर प्रदेश के राज्य में है ये तो राजनीति सब उसकी है अब तो समझ आई इनकी बात मैं इनको पूछना चाहती हूँ मंत्री जी कह रहे थे कि जी हरियाणा में एक गुरुद्वारा मंत्री जी जो उस यमुनानगर में गुरुद्वारा है वो हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर के हिसाब से हुआ था लेकिन मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ बिल लेके आना है माइनॉरिटीज का दर्द है तो हम लोग तो सिख आर्टिकल 25B की हम उसके संशोधन कई सालों से मांग रहे हैं कि हम सिख हैं हम हिंदू नहीं है पर आप हमको हमारी आइडेंटिटी ने लेके आइए ना वो बिल हम सब सपोर्ट करेंगे फिर आप हम इधर गुरुद्वारों के कब्जा जो आपने हमारे गुरुद्वारे हिस्टोरिक जो आपने डिमोलिश करते आपने जो डांग मार साहब सिक्किम में आपने डिमोलिश कर दिया हरिद्वार में ज्ञान गोदरी आपने डिमोलिश कर दिया उड़ीसा में मंगू मठ जो डिमोलिश कर दिया जो माइनॉरिटी के गुरुद्वारे आप डिमोलिश कर रहे बहुत अच्छा आपका अयोध्या बन गया लेकिन जो
Kaur Badal, ladies and gentlemen. Harsimrat Kaur Badal, now whatever she may be saying here tonight, fact is, women are not included in Waqf board. She will not talk about that. I cannot understand. You're saying it's a tribunal. It cannot be questioned by any court. It's very, very powerful. And in a very powerful body, no woman has been included.
Who heads the tribunal?
No woman has been included.
Arnab, who heads the tribunal?
No woman has been included.
Who heads the tribunal? Who's the chairperson of the tribunal?
Who is supposed to include the members?
No, who's the chairperson?
Now
of
women will be brought in.
Who's the chairperson of the
Now
tribunal?
women will be brought in.
Under which section in 1995?
Now women.
In 1995, Waqf Act.
A fact is, don't argue technically. The only answer to that is 1 minute. Muslim women, ears closed. Muslim women are entirely excluded from Waqf boards. Muslim women are entirely excluded from the Waqf boards. Muslim women are not included in Waqf boards. Muslim women are not included in the Waqf boards. On the debate, let her reply. Jyotsna.
अनमोल जी एक मिनट मेरी बात सुनो। अनमोल जी मेरी बात सुनो।
बोलिए।
Are you with that thing or not? Women to be included? Are you accepting it or not? Just tell me that. Are you accepting it or not? Women in there, are you accepting? अरे अभी question dodge न करो आप। अभी question dodge न करो। समाधान तो दे दो अनमोल जी।
नहीं जा रहे।
समाधान दे दो। मैं पूछ रही हूँ आपसे। मैं पूछ रही हूँ।
नहीं आप
मैं पूछ रही हूँ। आपकी बहन पूछ रही है। आपकी बहन पूछ रही है। बोलो।
बहन ये भी तो देखे। बहन ये भी देखे कि देश के लाखों भाइयों की आवाज ऐसे ही दबाई जा रही है। और आज तो नेशनल मीडिया में दबाई जा रही है।
मैं बोलती हूँ।
घंटा हो गया मुझे।
आप थोड़ा सब्र रखो। आप थोड़ा सब्र रखो। जेपीसी के लिए किसने पूछा? जेपीसी के लिए किसने पूछा? टीडीपी ने पूछा। आपने नहीं पूछा। कांग्रेस ने नहीं पूछा।
एक बैंड बाजा लाए गौरव भाई।
जेपीसी वी आस्क्ड फॉर जेपीसी द saviors of Musliman did not ask for JPC sir we asked for JPC TDP asked for JPC
मुस्लिम के झगड़े करा रहे हो। अमन और चैन खराब कर रहे हो देश का।
ओवैसी की अमन, राहुल गांधी की चैन।
सर
आनी चाहिए।
ओवैसी की अमन, राहुल गांधी की
कर रहे हो।
आनी चाहिए सर।
संविधान के अनुसार चलेगा ये देश। आप जिस तरह से देश का सौहार्द बिगाड़ना चाह रहे हो, आप अपने मंसूबों में कभी कामयाब नहीं हो पाओगे।
मुसलमानों के लिए
आनी चाहिए।
पार्टी डट के खड़ी रही। आप भाग गए।
आप जो
आप भाग गए।
ये नहीं बता पा रहे।
पार्टी डट के खड़ी रही।
क्यों आपने डिप्टी कलेक्टर को पावर दी? सर्वे कमिश्नर हुआ करता था जो प्रॉपर सर्वे करता था, जिसके पास सिविल कोर्ट्स की पावर होती थी।
मैनेज क्यों नहीं करा?
क्योंकि दिल्ली में 350 प्रॉपर्टीज हैं। 680 में से दिल्ली में 350 प्रॉपर्टीज हैं।
यूपी लैंड गवर्नमेंट एक्वायर्ड अंडर कांग्रेस रूल
अथॉरिटी है। सरकार के द्वारा ऑथराइज्ड डीडीए ने एक्वायर की हुई है प्रॉपर्टी। और सरकार चाहती है अडानी की झोली भरना। सरकार चाहती है पूंजीपतियों को।
ड्रीम वर्ल्ड में जीते रहो आप। ये ड्रीम वर्ल्ड में जीते रहो।
वक्फ की लैंड एक्वायर कर रहे हैं। कल गुरुद्वारों की करेंगे, परसों मंदिरों की करेंगे।
बढ़ते जाएंगे।
आप जो
हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, देश को आगे लेके जाएंगे।
में सबसे आगे खड़े हैं। आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए।
लेके जाएंगे। लिख के रख लो आप। We are going to take the nation forward. We are going to take the nation forward.
Nation forward?
The Waqf bill will be passed.
That's the reason we are here. That's the reason we are here.
Waqf will be passed today.
दमन करके ले जाएंगे।
Tonight the Waqf bill will be passed. Tonight the Waqf bill will be passed. Let me say something. One minute. Let me say something. गौरव जी, मैं कुछ कह देता हूँ जिससे आपको खुशी होगी। आज this way or that Waqf bill is being passed in Lok Sabha. Believe in democracy. Ladies and gentlemen, one point tonight. Why are Hindus on the Waqf law? Why did the Congress make the Waqf board so powerful that they would not even be answerable to any civil court in this country? Why are women not included in the Waqf boards? Why is the money that is coming out of the Waqf boards less than 1% of what is actually coming in? Where is the 99% of the money going? Into the pockets of rich Muslim men. Rahul Gandhi and Owaisi only want the money to go to rich Muslim men. उनको और धनवान कीजिए, और करप्शन कीजिए, और एनक्रोचमेंट कीजिए, और हद निकल। आई एम आस्किंग वन मोर क्वेश्चन टुनाइट।
मैं आपको
आई एम आस्किंग वन क्वेश्चन टुनाइट।
सवाल का जवाब दीजिए।
आई एम आस्किंग वन क्वेश्चन।
1995 एक्ट में नहीं 10 आप 10
Wait, 1995 Act, I don't even recognize it. I don't even recognize the 1995 Act. I don't believe it. I don't accept. I don't accept.
Why did the government bring
the system? The system is discriminatory. The system is discriminatory. Discrimination is when equality. The time for equality. This kind of discrimination. This kind kind of discrimination, male chauvinism has to end, ladies and gentlemen. There has to be truth in this country. Democracy must come back into this country. These are the people who want to protect the rights of rich Muslim men. Let there be democracy. This pseudo-secularism, this pseudo-secularism must end. ये pseudo-secularism, इसको बंद करना पड़ेगा. This pseudo-secularism must stop. He is anti-Hindu. He is anti-Hindu. He's anti-Hindu. He's anti-Hindu. He wants discrimination of Muslim women. Ladies and gentlemen, democracy must win. Democracy must win. The rights of people must win. Fundamental rights must win. Let's go into the break. Calm down. The Waqf bill is being passed tonight. Tonight, without any changes tonight. Go into the break. Let him shout.
For a quick breather, Arnab will be right back with the debate.
लाल रंग इसका अपार, तीखा कम है फिर भी स्वाद, बेमिसाल MDH कश्मीरी,
MDH कश्मीरी।
MDH